In this tutorial, we are going to share the simple method to find the Wi-Fi password of your PC, so that you can share it with everyone. We also explain methods to share Wi-Fi password from iOS and Android device on our website. The link is in the description. Without any further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Open Settings on Windows. Step 2. Click on Network and Internet. Step 3. Click on Network and Sharing Center. Step 4. Click on your connected Wi-Fi. Step 5. Click on Wireless Properties. Step 6. Navigate to Security tab. Step 7. Click on Show Characters. That's it. Now your Wi-Fi password appears in the network security key box. Now you can copy it, share it with your friends via email, text or WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for latest technology videos.